Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dish that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's move on to the steps. 1. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the diced onions and cook for about 5 minutes, or until they become soft and translucent. 2. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute, stirring frequently to prevent burning. 3. Add the ground beef and turkey to the skillet, stirring to combine. Cook for about 5 minutes, or until the meat becomes brown. 4. Pour in the cooked rice and mix well with the meat mixture. Season the dish with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Add the shredded cheddar cheese to the skillet, stirring until it is completely melted. 6. Once the cheese is melted, remove the skillet from heat and stir in the beets and eggs. Let the dish cook for an additional 2-3 minutes, or until the eggs are fully cooked. 7. Serve your dish hot, and enjoy the delicious and satisfying taste of your homemade beef and turkey rice cheese skillet. That's it, a simple and tasty meal that's sure to please your family and friends. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Happy cooking!